Hi guys, now we'll discuss about three-dimensional array. Okay. Earlier video already you have discussed one-dimensional, two-dimensional array, how to retrieve the data from this arrays. Now we'll discuss the three-dimensional array. So as I told, in two-dimensional array there should be two open square brackets. Now in three-dimensional this should be three square brackets before and after. That means it is three-dimensional. How to know this is a three-dimensional? This is the way. This is the one way. Okay, but this is how to understand the dimension, how it depend. See, there are two lists here. One list is 1 2 3, another is 4 5 2 6, but the two list is combined with another dimension. Okay, and similarly with a dimension with another curly bracket from here to here. Similarly here, these are the two lists, but the two lists are combined with another dimension. These are two dimensions, and the both two dimension has been combined by another square bracket here and here. So at the starting and end, so this is called a three-dimensional array. So I'm executing this one and I show how the three-dimensional is. I will print. This is the way it will show. Okay. Also use print command. Okay, see, this is the way. This is the three-dimensional. One dimension is here and another dimension is here. Okay, so if I want to retrieve the data, how we can retrieve the data from the three-dimensional array? So the first index is the dimension, the index dimension index, and second is the row index, third is the column index. For example, I want to retrieve the data from the first dimension, that is zeroth index dimension, that means this one, and from the zeroth row, from this row, first 1 2 3, this one from this row, and the column is 1, column 1th index on the 2. This will give my the result will show as 2 here. Okay, if I want to print not the zeroth row, I want to print 5, this one. That means this is the first index, the second row, and the first index. The row index is 1, second row is, that means the row index is 1. So to print, this will show my, so give my result is 5. Okay, similarly if I want to print from this dimension, from the index 1 dimension, this is the second dimension, and I want to, for example, I want to retrieve the 12. I want to retrieve 12. How I can retrieve? This is the index 1 of second dimension, that is the index 1 dimension, that is called second dimension, and the row is second row, that means first index, the row index is 1 because it starts from 0. This is the 0th index, this is the 1 index. Okay, and the column index will be 0 1 2 if I want to retrieve 12. So column index will be 2, row index will be 1, and 1 will be my dimension index. Okay, if I want to retrieve 11, just I need to change my column index to 1. It will retrieve 11. See, this is the 11. So in this way we can retrieve the data from the array. This is called this is normal indexing. Okay, the slicing already I have discussed how to slice by using the column. Okay, before and after the column, that already we have discussed, no need to discuss further. Then we need to discuss the numpy inbuilt functions. There is a function called arrange, and that means it will create an array starting from 0th index to the n-1th index. For example, it is 10, that is it will assign value to this array starting from 0 to 9. See, it is so 0 from 0 to 9. Okay, and if I happen to, there are another option to use the step keyword. If I use this step as 2, that will assign by a step of 2. That means it will 0, it will skip 1 and it will assign 2, then it will skip 3 and assign 4, like this, skip 5 and assign 6, like this way. It will assign 0 2 4 6 8. Okay, see. Okay, step 2. Okay, and step -2, it will reverse way. It will assign from starting from 10th, 10, then 8, then 6, then 4. And step -2. Remember, if I want to print without any step, then I need to mention -1. It will be starting from 10. It will print 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, like this way. Okay, up just 10, 9, 8, 6, like. Okay. If I want to make it step 2, it will print 10, then 8, then 6, like this way, in a reverse way. Okay, so we have discussed uh, the function arrange. Now there is another, also we can define array by using the data type also. For example, I want to put 1, 2, 3, 4 not as integer, I want to make them as a string. So we can by separating with the comma, we can mention d type is equal to s. Okay, so it will put as it will convert all this 1, 2, 3, 4 as so it will see as a data type string. Okay, another is the line space is there. What will do, it will do line space np dot line space 0 to 10. It will create starting from 0 to 10, 0 to 10 with by dividing each value 0 to 10 with dividing each value with 15. So it will give 0, 0 0.20, 0 0.40, like this way. It will give 15 indexes, 15 values assigned to the array. Okay, and there is a copy and broadcasting. This is very important. I want to show you copy and broadcasting. See, my array here, I have an array which is having the list of values 1 to 7, and I have converted the list into array by using np.array, and want to see the figures. Okay, array 3 is array 3. By slicing, we can see 3 column. If I used to see the third index, okay, so starting from third index, so 0, 1, 2, 3, it will print from 4 to 7. Okay, so it is printed 4 to 7, but I want to assign all these values with 500. Okay, so I can assign array 3 is to 5 is equal to 500. So what will do, my array has been changed with these indexes as 500. See, okay, I've already assigned, and I want to print this one. See, starting from third index and above, it is printed, it is assigned to 500. Okay, so if this is the and I want to what I want to change the figure. That's I want to assign another variable array1, and I convert all the value of array to array1. That means 1, 2, 3, 5. This is all the array values into another array. They called array1, and array1 3 to I want to convert this 500, each 500 as 1000. So in this way I have converted, and if I see array1 is 1, 2, 3 and 1000, but what will be the value of array? Array1, this array1 is 1000, but array was 500, 500, 500 each. But as I have assigned array to array1, the array value also will be changed as 1000, 1000, 1000. See here. This is broadcasting. That means if I need to change with a array, it will be automatically change the array1 values as well. So if I want to change the array1 value, it will automatically change the array values as well. Okay, but the problem is to avoid this situation, we use the copy function. If I use this copy function, array dot copy, array1 is equal to array dot copy. Okay, and again array1